At
to that
papasok
advantage.
dito ng partner. Instant offense off the bench. Ito number 23, Gimarangan. Hindi man lang ako pinatapos and he already showed you what I was talking about.
Nakatingin pa sa defender, partner, before letting go of that layup. 2 points. Number 23 on that very smart fake move on the fast break. I was telling a bit while ago, partner, not everyone has enough wit to make a fake shot on that very fast pace na play, and that's why it's very smart faking it on that fast break, as we see number 22.
Alam mo partner, parang gusto ko bigyan ng nickname itong si Gimarangan no? Parang gusto ko sa tawaging IO.
Bakit IO daw, partner?
Instant offense. Off the bench, apakahusay talaga ng bata to. He can provide that offense that you need. Spark off the bench, no? I've seen San Beda being down by 8. Pinasok tong batang to. They climb back that lead. And now, makikita mo naman, he's providing the points needed by San Beda.
And he is being rewarded playing time by coach. And
Gimarangan, Romolio palabas yung bola.
that penetration was no good, but the recovery play courtesy of number 23 was clean.
What I have been telling you, partner.
Instant offense talaga. Grabs the offensive rebound. Number 75. Making that second possession count para sa San Beda.
Gimarangan proving that he can just shoot the basketball. Kaya rin niyang ipasa.
I'd like to recognize itong backcourt duo ng San Beda. Number 3 and 23. Dishing and grabbing buckets. Number 23, Gimarangan, ladies and gentlemen, forces it inside and completing that layup. Time coping up on that pacing and play by San Beda.
Gimarangan is like a younger version of James Eason.
I agree with you, partner, on that one. Number 0.
Look at the off-ball movement of Gimarangan. Took the attention on him. Nalibre tuloy si number 30. Hindi nga lang maiuubra sa ilalim.
Hindi tamad sa play, partner. But we'll see.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Velvet League. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo, kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita